Welcome guys to another video in the series of IGCSE Math Syllabus. Now in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to form and solve equations using two variables. Now let's get to it guys. Alright, so what we see that it's a rectangle, right? So we know that in a rectangle opposite sides will be equal. Good job, you got it correct. So let's go ahead and write our first equation. So we see that x plus 3y is equal to 13, and I'm going to call this equation 1, right guys? Now our second equation is 3x plus y is equal to 7, right guys? So this will be our second equation. And if you don't know how to solve simultaneous equation, guys, make sure you click on the video that pops up right about now. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description. Now I will be using the elimination method to find the values of x and y. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the second term with -3, and the reason I want to do that is I want to get rid of y. Okay, and you'll see in a bit why I did that. So the first equation remains the same. So x plus 3y is 13. Now in the second equation, guys, I'm going to multiply all of the terms with -3. So I'll have -9x, -3y is equal to -21. All right, guys. Now if you take a look at it, now you might know why I did that. So 3y and -3y will simplify itself, right? Now let's go ahead and add these terms. So x minus 9x is going to give us -8x, and 13 minus 21 is going to give us -8, right guys? Now if we divide both sides with -8, I'll have x is equal to -8 over -8, which is equal to 1, right guys? Now I'm going to take this value of x and I'm going to substitute it either in the first equation or the second equation. The answer would be the same, guys. So let's go ahead and choose the first one. So I have first one as x plus 3y is 13, right guys? The value of x is equal to 1. So I would have 1 plus 3y is equal to 13, right guys? So 3y is equal to 13 minus 1. 3y is equal to 12. Therefore, y is equal to 12 over 3, which is 4. Right guys, so in this question we have the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. All right guys, now for question number 2, what I want you guys to do is hit on that pause button, try and solve it by yourself guys, and come back and check if you got the right answer. So first of all, let's go ahead and write the equation down. So we have 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. So this is my equation number 1, and also 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, and this is my equation number 2. Again guys, I'm going to solve this simultaneously using the elimination method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top one with -3, and I'm going to multiply the bottom one with 2. Alright guys, I'm going to multiply the bottom one with 2, and the reason I did that again is to get rid of y. So what we're aiming for is for one of the variables to have opposite signs, right? So it can simplify each other. So let's go and multiply it. So I'll have -9x plus 6y is equal to -33, and the second equation I'm going to multiply all of it with 2. So I'm going to have 4x, right? 4x minus 6y is equal to 8. All right guys, now the reason I did that, as you can see, is we can get rid of y easily, right? Now let's go ahead and add the term. So we have -9x plus 4x is -5x, and this is equal to -25, right? -33 plus 8 is -25. Therefore x is equal to -25 or -5, which is equal to 5. All right guys, now I'm going to take this value, same like the previous question, and substitute it in either the first equation or the second equation. Now let's go ahead and choose maybe equation number 2 here. So I have 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So what we have here, x is 5, so I have 2 multiplied by 5 minus 3y is equal to 4, right guys? So 10 minus 3y is equal to 4. Now I'm going to subtract both sides of the 10. So I have minus 3y is equal to 4 minus 10, right guys? So minus 3y is equal to negative 6. And now I'm going to divide both sides with negative 3. So minus 6 over minus 3 is equal to 2, right guys? So the value of x in this case is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. And that is how we would solve equations in two variables, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing, guys, so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time, guys, have a nice day.